Good morning and welcome back to Icelandic Adventures. I've been your host, Paul Nurkala, and today we are wandering down the northwest coast trying to figure out where else would be good to fly. We hit a lot on the south and we had kind of exhausted the range that we were willing to go the previous days, so today we're kind of just going the other direction to see what we can see. So we've just found spot number one. Let's do it. Or me?
Blockbusters, lacklusters, clusters is gold mustard. Russian Ruger relay, rolling up on replay. Doing diamond donuts, flashing beamers on the freeway. 50 car stretch, never worry about no other clicks. Keep it carte blanche, we run a night melodic water mist.
Can't stand here too long, gotta get our groove on and transmit the neutrons through transit and groove on. Like the lightning bolt painted on the hood, elevate the tires. Dueling pipes on the back, shooting fire. Admire the madman that took down Bugsy and Mad Max and sell a snapshot to a Mad Max.
Motorcycle militia, the Molotovs will miss ya. Mad Max Pulitzer, sages out of the swisher. Push them off the road and keep the bourbon coming. German iron reaching, I'm a burning youngin'. Blindfolded fish and fury, or it's all for nothing. Fettuccine windows, screaming like murder something.
Can I get it wrong?
I think it'll be some good video. Alright, guys, let's make like a banana and peel out.
Gas is too expensive.
Cheer for all of the squares here. Flip an ace of spade for interior deck of haters. I get on your marks. Rev your engines, cause a bus load of large henchmen. Got your name under lynch hangman. They keep it dangling under the umbrella. Caught the penguin up over the shoulder of Golden Gatlin.
All around the world and back. We done hit a lot of places, lot of stages, lot of chicas, lot of reefers, Carlos back to back. Accurates and viewers, Benson's Rover engines, Chevy starters, Chevy charges, no racks and 8 tracks. We call it convoy noise. 4-5 drop dead coupe crook toys.
A cold beaver cut, either lung, glory, lust. Old geezer, Fonzarelli, keep the geezers beating up. Followed by heat seekers, they want some cheaper, keep a heater. Firemen, time bomb, retire them. And if they fire back, we backdraft. 2 Roman candles, vandals in the land of lost rangers.
Been trying to find an emergency bathroom for Mr. Matt, but vetoed him on a detour to check out these kind of slightly abandoned places here. Looks pretty cool for a couple batteries, maybe just one.